turns solid steel into liquid fire. What makes two pieces one, fusing higher and higher. It's not magic, it's electric might. An arc of plasma, burning bright between an electrode and metal below. Electricity creates a super hot glow. Welding with lightning, melting the steel. 28,000 degrees, now that's real. Plasma dancing, electrons collide, joining metal with science as our guide. From a spark to a bond that will never break. That's the power that welders make. So how does electricity make that heat? It ionizes gas in the space between, breaking molecules into charged particles free. Electrons and ions in a plasma sea. Negative electrode, positive steel, create an electric field. Now here's the deal, charged particles accelerated lightning speed, bouncing and crashing, releasing the heat we need. Welding with lightning, melting the steel. 28,000 degrees, now that's real. Plasma dancing, electrons collide, joining metal with science as our guide. From a spark to a bond that will never break. That's the power that welders make. Now the metal's melting into a molten pool. 2,000 degrees, that's the welder's tool. Base metal and filler mixing into one. But wait, there's oxygen that could ruin what we've done. That's why argon gas flows all around, shielding the puddle, keeping it sound. As the arc moves forward, the pool follows behind, cooling and solidifying, a fusion bond refined. Here's the amazing part, let's connect the dots. Those tiny electrons, though they weigh almost not, carry massive energy through their flow, building on that plasma from verses ago. Remember that heat from the charged particle dance, it creates penetration, giving strength a chance. The bond that forms is stronger than before. Structural grade fusion, that's what it's for. From skyscrapers to ships, pipelines to frames, plasma welding joins them, that's the name of the game.